Hello again and welcome to Ndudu by Fafa. Hello Ndudu natives, thank you again for tuning in for another exciting episode with Fafa. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how I make my breadsticks the easiest way, of course. Now, naturally, I leave the list of ingredients and measurements on my blog, fafagilbert.com, so do subscribe and check it out. Yes, now in a previous video, I did cover the focaccia recipe from scratch, and I'll leave a link in the description box below. So yes, you can familiarize yourself with the flavor. Anyway, so with the leftover focaccia, what I then tend to do once it's cooled down, or maybe a day or 2 or 3 day old, I mean, you can still enjoy it that way. What I tend to do is just thinly slice it. And at this point, I've preheated my oven to 180 degrees because I'm going to be baking this beauty. So if this is your first time, this is definitely a creative channel. My name is Fafa. Thank you for tuning in. If you like what you see so far, please click that subscribe button whilst you're here, and also activate your notifications to all so you do not miss any future videos. Do invite your family and friends over to join the team as well. So at this point, I'm carefully, just cutting it so that I could get that sort of elongated breadstick look, even though, technically it's a breadstick. Or what do you think? Leave your comments below. But this is so easiest 1, 2, 3. And yes, I'm just going to slice that and then place it in my baking tray. And I'm going to drizzle with a little bit of olive oil. Now, what I love about using focaccia for this recipe is it's got the rosemary in there and it's also got the tomato in there. So, of course, when you bake it and it's nice and crunchy, that flavor just intensifies and it just makes it all so delicious. And focaccia also is made whereby the dough is fermented as well, so it has this slight tangy fermented taste that just makes it also delicious. Other breads that you can use your sourdough bread, yes, and any stale bread really that you do have lying about. Yes, just bang it in the oven and you're good to go. At this point, I'm just going to drizzle with a little bit of olive oil. Yes, because that's going to make it beautiful. And I also had a little bit of my dried thyme there. So I'm just sprinkling a little bit over it. So you've got that rosemary infused and that thyme infused. So you know that it is flavor packed. So yes, I've just got that out of the oven. And that just took about 10-15 minutes. And I'm good to go. So I'm just reserving this in an airtight container. And as and when I do require it, I'd grab it. Now, of course, you cannot keep this for too long. I would say 2 weeks maximum for, that maximum fresh taste, yes. And then you can make another one and another one and another one, exactly. So, yeah. The beauty about this is it can also work as a gift to your friends or family. Yeah, absolutely. And I'll tell you what, when this lockdown started, I had run out of gari. Okay, so gari is made out of fermented grated cassava or yuca or manioc, may I say. Okay. And so I needed something that could emulate gari for me to enjoy my beans. So hence I created this sort of breadsticks recipe. And then what I tend to do is crush it, and I use it as a topping for my bean stew as well. Now I've also used this for my bucatini and spaghetti recipe that I made. Absolutely beautiful. You can be creative with the kind of herbs and spices that you do add to this mixture. When you crush it like this, it's just nice to even just eat on its own. Or better still, you can still use that breadstick and dip into my amazing green chili sauce. That works a magic. Or have you tried my piri-piri sauce yet? I'll leave both recipe links in my description box below, so do check it out. Yes, I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat as Ndudu by Fafa. So pass by and say hi. Noel, thank you very much for my theme song. And until my next video, you take care of yourself. Please be happy for me. We only have one life. Let's make it count. Me, I love you for you.